It's not snow, but it's raining ice. It's raining ice. Hallelujah. Small ice.
Small ice makes a nice coating of ice.
Very slippery. Did you see the front of the car? It's already coated with ice. My husband is trying to scrape all the ice already in there. It's icy, and he doesn't even wear his like snow thing. Oh my god, it's very thick already, guys. It's done. It's done. So now what? What are you doing?
Watch.
He's doing something, I don't know. Ah, he's going to open it. He's going to open it. Why is he opening it? Oh my god, he's a crazy guy. Crazy guy. I'm not wearing my boots, guys. I'm holding the phone close to my mouth because it's snowing. I don't want my phone to get wet. No. Did you see my hood? We're going to my husband's appointment. Oh my god, yeah. I don't know why I don't wear boots.
You know why what?
I don't wear boots.
He stuck a needle into a bad spot in there.
This is a beautiful church. I don't know if this is a church.
It is a church.
Beautiful church.
I've actually been here
It's
twice.
very small. It's snowing already, mixed with snow and ice. Oh, you're getting two? Okay. No, we don't need. Huh? No, no, no. Han, I put you guys in my pocket. Oi, honey, let's go. You're in my pocket right now. That you can see what we're doing. Bye. Huh? You wanna go shopping first? I don't feel like going now. You wanna keep looking more? So I sit in the car and be cold. Oh God! Oh my God! My husband! My husband is him in the neck. Him in the neck. Here. Hi guys, I'm super duper cold. We're rushing here because my husband have an appointment and we're still going to pick up my mother-in-law too. Here are the yellow fish. Oops, careful. Oh, I don't have my thing. Hold on guys. Me and my hubby.
Hot bugs. Yeah, hot bugs.
Hi guys.
I don't even know where your dimple is.
I made some.
She in that chair over there?
No, no. String beans casserole, but it doesn't taste good because we don't have mushroom. What is that, hon?
What?
We don't have mushroom.
Cream of mushroom soup.
Cream of mushroom soup. So I made.
There was some there.
So that's why not good. So anyway, guys, good night and thank you for watching my vlog, and I'll see you in my future vlog. Philippines. Good night.